Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking pork pata humba. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onion, banana blossom, black bean, whole peppercorn, bay leaves, and green star anise, brown sugar, olive oil, soy sauce, vinegar, cornstarch, white wine, and pineapple juice. So we're gonna cook this pork hock or pork pata in our pressure cooker, and we're gonna have this tendered with our pineapple juice and a little bit of water. So let's get started. Now we'll cook our humba. Let's put oil, onions. We cook the pork hock already in a pressure cooker. It takes 30 minutes and it's very tender now. So we're gonna saute it with other ingredients as we go along. This is the time to put our garlic. Right. Okay. Now we'll add our pork hock. Mix it. Add our soy sauce. Let's add our black bean. Okay. Let's give it a stir. Let's put our banana blossom. Okay. And then we'll add our pineapple juice, the juice we use for making the pork hock tender. Okay, we're gonna simmer this for a few minutes, and we'll be right back. Now let's check our humba. Wow, smells real good already. So this is time to put our star anise. There's a couple of star anise, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our white wine. 1, 2. All right, and then we're gonna add our brown sugar. Okay. All right. We can add more later if we need to. And then now let's add our cornstarch to make the sauce a little bit thicker. Okay, and we'll give it a stir. Here's our finished product. Let's uncover it. Wow, this is our pork pata humba. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and have a good day.